Okay, so if you saw my recent video on the Mojito according to Sasha Petraske, then you would know that I think the Mojito is the greatest single cocktail recipe ever invented. But I might actually have to take that back now because I found a recipe that might actually be even better. What could be better than a Mojito, you say? A Mojito for two. Now, to make this video more interesting and to make myself more comfortable, we're gonna take the show outside because it's hot and muggy and it's not fun in here. So follow me to the patio. One of the best things that a cocktail can do is make you feel relaxed and refreshed after a long, hot day, a goal which I think the Mojito accomplishes better than almost any other libation known to man. Anyway, let me finish gathering mint from the herb garden, magically clearing my mobile bar top, and we can get down to business. Just as when I made the single-serving Mojito, we are returning to Regarding Cocktails by Sasha Petraske for our recipe, which conveniently is simply a double measure of the single serving. Of course, you'll need a large glass. A 20-ounce size should do the trick. To the glass, add 1.5 ounces of simple syrup, 2 ounces of fresh lime juice, 2 brown sugar cubes, and about 10 to 12 mint leaves, reserving the tops of the sprigs for garnish. Muddle gently, breaking up the sugar, but only lightly bruising the mint, and add 4 ounces of your preferred white rum, which for me at the moment is Plantation 3-Star. For the final assembly, make some crushed ice. Use a dish towel with a meat mallet or hammer if that's all you have. Add your crushed ice to fill about 3/4 of the way up the glass. Swizzle thoroughly. Frost on the outside of the glass is a good measure of this, if you can be patient enough. Add more ice and swizzle to incorporate. Remove your bar spoon, top with more ice to make a snow cone above the rim of the glass, shaping it with your hands. Slap, spank, or squeeze your mint to release its aroma. Tuck it into your snow cone. Add 2 straws, and here I like to use one curved and one straight, and enjoy. All right, best part of the video. Time to give this thing a taste. This is the Eskimo's Kiss. Cheers. Ooh. Oh, that is just what I needed right now. So, I mean, what can one say about a drink like this? It's a giant Mojito for 2 people. It's incredible. You know, like I said, in the Mojito recipe, it's one of the few cocktails that hardcore snobs like, college kids like, and pretty much anybody in between. My wife, Sarah, is not a cocktail person. She'll drink red wine, tea, and that's about it. But she'll drink a Mojito if I'm making them, because everybody loves a Mojito. What else is there to say? Go make a Mojito. Better yet, if you're gonna make one for yourself and your special someone, make one that you both can enjoy with 2 straws. See you guys in the next video. Cheers.